So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the account nickname here on the Questrade application. So once Questrade's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top left and press on the three lines. Once you're here, I want you to go to the top to where it says settings, just like this. Now where it says general or investing, press on investing. Then where it says account nickname under account management, go ahead and press on account nickname. Now, as you can tell, it says add a nickname to your account for easy identification. So right now my account is just called cash account, but if I wanted to add a nickname, press on add a nickname, and I will search up, or I will type in, I don't know, vacation, just as an example, then press on save. Now your self-directed cash account is called vacation. So if I were to go ahead and press remove nickname right here, it'll default it back to the cash account. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to edit the account nickname here on the Questrade application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.